Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Pro Roblox Gamer, and today we are going to do something very special. Like, we are going to find some hiding spots in Adopt Me that we can hide in, and some of the hiding spots need to be we need to glitch for some of the hiding spots, and for some of the hiding spots we don't need to glitch. I don't know, we'll have to see the glitching and non-glitching. Yes, I'm right. Okay, so now, the first glitch that I'm gonna tell you is the glitch of the tunnel. I call it the tunnel glitch, glitch slash hiding spot. So, tunnel means the tunnel that is over here that we teleport to the neighborhood. So, the tunnel that we use to teleport to the neighborhood and to the city, we are going to glitch in that tunnel and hide in it. So, for that, we need the grappling hook. Any grappling hook will do. We need to just fire the grappling hook in the white space, and it'll take us behind the tunnel. From outside, as you can see, everybody can see just white space, and from the other side of the tunnel, you can see the other side of the tunnel. Like outside of the tunnel, you can see it through the when you're inside the tunnel. Now you can see this running happening because they're crossing the tunnel and teleporting. So now, oh, somebody is here already. Wow. Okay, so I think even they know about this. So this was the first glitch. To get out from here, again you need the grappling hook to just fire it somewhere, and you are outside the white space of the tunnel. Now, our second place for hiding that needs a glitch or doesn't need a glitch is the nursery. So, we are going to go to the nursery, and I'm going to tell you the second place to hide. It's going to be fun. Frog. Wow. Okay, so now we need to go in the nursery, and we need to go to the pets side where there are pets. And for the second one also, you need a grappling hook. So once you get the grappling hook, you just need to stick to the invisible wall like this and fire the grappling hook to the yellow house. So after you fire the grappling hook to the yellow house, you should be on the other side of this nursery. Like, this wall is made, so you glitched out from this nursery, and now you can hide in this house. You need to glitch to come in this hiding spot. You can hide in this house very easily. And to go back, you need to take the grappling hook, stick again to the wall, and just shoot it somewhere inside, fire it somewhere inside. So you are back in the nursery. So now we come to the third hiding spot, that is the place where you get potions. Which potion, you ask? I will show you. For that we don't need to fly, but I'm going to fly and go till there. Where is the pool? Where is the pool? Here, this side. Okay, so it's not near the pool. You know about it that the potion shop from where you can make the pets flyable and rideable. So you need to get down here and get into the door, and you will be in a place like this. Now what you need to do is jump over these mushrooms, and then you need to go from one mushroom to the other mushroom, and then from here to the other mushroom, and you're upstairs. Okay, so now as you're at this place where the fly potions are there for the pets, then there are ride potions and all that, all the potions, you need to come to this door, and to the right side of this door you will see this round pink color potions. Now what you need to do, you need to go straight in this dark place. So for that you will need a torch. You need a torch for that. So you need to walk straight, and when you come to the end of it, you need to look towards the right, and you find an open spot. After that, you can either use the grappling hook to go, or you can use your propeller or the flying pet. You need to just fly out from here, and you are outside the potion place where you get the potions for flying pets and all that. Now you can see through this, you can see inside through this side, but nobody can see from inside, nobody can see you outside over here. So this is a good hiding spot. No, you can't get up over here. You will need something that will help you to fly and get back up. So this was the third place where you can hide. Now to get out from here you need to go somewhere. It's quite difficult because it is transparent. It's yes, need to come here, and as you know you will come back on this floor. You can just jump down and you can exit from here. Now we come to the fourth place. That can be your house. Some house might be having it and some might not have it. First of all, I'll take my vehicle, or we can just reset. Just reset and you're at your home. Now this is like a game kind of thing. I know this is a game, but there's a game in the game. Now I say that I have 6 rooms in the house. So I will show you each room in the house one by one, and you tell me which is the 6th room. So the first room, as you know, is the living room. The second room is the kitchen, which is also a room. The third room is the washroom, which is also a room. And the fourth room is upstairs. This is not, by the way, this is not a room. The fourth room is the studio. And the fifth room is the bedroom. Now you shall think which is the 6th room. As you know, this is not a room where this table is there and all that. That living room, kitchen, washroom, this is the studio, and this is the bedroom. Now you might be thinking, where is the 6th one? Try to guess it and comment in the comment box that where is the 6th room kind of place in the house. I give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you have commented, even subscribe as you have gone to comment. Subscribe and click the bell icon and slap like on this video. Now I'll tell you where is the 6th room. The people who play Adopt Me might be knowing that which room I'm talking about. Some houses, why houses are costly? Because they have some secret in it. So like this, I have a secret room in this bedroom. You can see the sit option outside the wall. You click here and you are outside your house in this kind of room. So once when I tried it with the sofa over here, and there was a ready-made room over here for me. I had to just put the glass so nobody falls down, and I had to decorate this place a bit. And if you want to go back, you can see one more option. You come on this chair in the bedroom. So this room that where we went right now by glitching can be a hiding place. You can hide in your house. If your house is unlocked, you can even lock it, or if you don't want to lock, you can just come here and hide if anybody is behind you. So this was the some places where we can hide by glitching, and some places where we can hide without glitching. I want to just talk about one more place where we can hide, and I want to talk something else about it. That is towards the other side of this tunnel. We will go there, and that is the pet shop. As you know that there's a pet shop in Adopt Me, and I will show you what's there. Shoo, wow, I did that glitch right now. It happens sometimes when you go in the cycle, you go in the tunnel and you get glitch. Yes. Yes, now we are on the other side. We have to go to the pet shop that is recently there near the balloon, the flying balloon. Here's the pet shop, so we need to go in, and when you reach in and look straight, you will find a vault over there. Oh, that's not the vault. Yes, this is the vault. So you might be thinking for so much time that what's behind this vault? What's behind this vault? Yes. So when you click on this examine, it shows, wonder what's behind this. And many people have made videos on YouTube that in this pillars there is some keys and all that. So some videos were there in which they're telling behind the griffin in this pillar they found something named as Tom. They could see a name Tom. So who is Tom? We don't know. So I have a way to glitch through the first vault, but the second vault is pretty hard to glitch. So let's get our grappling hook again, and we need to stand here and try to aim inside these gaps so we get inside easily. I have a practice of this, so I could get inside the first vault very easily. The second vault is very hard. I tried it with the grappling hook many times and aimed in this yellow part, but I was stuck like this. Whoop, 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 whoop. This is the first time I came out of the tunnel. Wow. I'll go upstairs again by my. Thank God I had this. I glitched out of the tunnel. I just tried to go in. I've tried many times to go in, but I've never gone in and I've never even got out from the tunnel. So right now I glitched out of the tunnel. I tried to glitch out of the tunnel and I'm here. I actually fell down, but on time I removed my propeller to fly. Now I'm coming up again flying. I know it's a 12-minute video it's become. So when you go by the tunnel, you see another tunnel inside. See? So what I think is in this tunnel might be it's still being made and it's still being built. I think they're still building it. Adopt Me team is still building it. But I think they're going to build some secret way to get a lot of bucks. Okay. And there might be some personal space of Adopt Me team that only they know where is the key to this. So I came from the pet store. I came from the pet store and see, I came from the pet store and I went in the first vault. I went through the first vault. See, here is the pet store down and I went through the first vault and I it's easy to cross the first vault but second vault is very hard, and when I glitched out I got to know that there is a box kind of room over here, and I think I asked Adopt Me to quickly build it if it's still being built, and tell us the key, that where is the key. We are very excited to see what's behind the second vault. We are only reached till here, but we are very excited to see what's behind the second vault. So that everyone is making videos about this, the vault, what's behind the vault. We'll try to see what's behind the vault, but no one is able to get to see what's behind the vault. And many of the YouTubers, they have glitched out like this and they have shown, see downstairs the vault. See, so you can see the vault in the red circle. Down there's a vault. I enter the first vault and I glitched out from here and I'm over here. So I asked the Adopt Me team that if it's still being built, we can try to build it fast, and everyone wants to see that what's behind the second vault. So right now I'll teleport to the gifts display. So as I told you that in the pet store the vault can be a hiding place even. So now we'll see what is the hiding place. We try to examine and see what's behind the vault. We can go from the first vault, but it's very difficult to go from the second vault. See, you can easily take the grappling hook, fire it inside, and you can hide over here. No one will even think that you are behind this vault hiding, because no one mostly can go inside this. Only who knows the trick to go inside can go in this tunnel, and it's easy to get out. Take the grappling hook and fire outside again, and you are outside. If you are not able to fire outside and come back, you simply reset character, and you will be in your house. So it's quite easy to get into this hiding spots and hide and all that. You can even glitch out and take your propeller, and I have a small gap. Through this small gap you can go above your house and you can hide over here. No one will get to know that you are in this place, and you want to go back. Once you are outside that secret area, you just reset. Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope you liked it. You liked all the hiding spots, the tunnel, the nursery, the fly and ride portion, a place where you can hide, and in the house also you can do this glitch and hide, and you can even hide in that vaults. So I hope you like this video. Please click the subscribe button, click the like button, click the subscribe button, and click the bell icon so you get all the videos that I upload, like these kind of videos. And like it and comment down the answer. What did you think? Which was the sixth room or place in the house? Even comment down that which place did you like the most to hide. And if you know about any of the other glitches or hiding spots in Adopt Me, please comment down, so I will try to go in that hiding spot, glitch and all that. And if I like the person who commented down the best glitch in Adopt Me or the best hiding spot in Adopt Me, I will show their name, display their name on the screen in my next video. Your name will be displayed on the screen if I like the hiding spot or the glitch in Adopt Me commented by anybody. So if suppose a person commented a glitch, 2-3 people commented a glitch or a hiding spot in Adopt Me, I will choose any one. I will see which one is the best of them, and I will try that in my next video. Try the glitch or try the to go in the hiding spot and see how well you can hide. And the best person's comment or of the glitch or the hiding spot, I will display their name in my next video on the screen. So comment down any other glitch or hiding spot that you know in Adopt Me. So I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.
Like a Hellcat.